Well, look what I found. Hello, everybody. I located my Proxmox backup server. I thought the hard drive had crashed and it was just powered off after a power outage. So let's see if we can't bring this 3.3.2 server up to 3.4. Let's go ahead and hit the upgrade button. We'll say yes and cross our fingers. What's the worst that could happen? Don't answer that. I had honestly thought the hard drive was dead, but I'm pleasantly surprised. I'll take it as a win. All right, so far so good. It's doing what it's supposed to do. The acid test will be here in a few minutes when we reboot it and see if it comes back up. All right, so it's setting up Proxmox Backup 3.4.0. This might be my lucky Friday. What can I say? All right, let's give it the acid test. Close that. And we'll come back to refresh here. Task OK. We'll restart her and see if she likes to play. Give it a minute. That was quicker than I had expected. And would you look at that? Proxmox Backup Server 3.4.0. And yeah, the big drive is almost full. Got just over 15% left, and the smaller drive is only 11% used. Let's go back to administration and look at updates one more time. And we are completely up to date. Ha! Imagine that. What can I say? I'll take it. Thanks for watching, everybody. This has been a quick update of Proxmox Backup Server 3.3.2 to 3.4.0 after the backup server had sat idle for several months. So I'm going to count this one as a win. See you next time.